we're actually going to start a vlog somewhat normally. With, you know, things like a cold start and whatnot. Oh. Okay. Had to make sure the Bluetooth was disconnected so the audio doesn't get messed up, but we're about to go get the car looked at. My bad. I accidentally stopped the recording, but yeah, it's nothing too crazy. It's just a exhaust leak, cold start. So yeah, I'll just get back to you guys when we get to the shop, and then I'll explain exactly what we're gonna be doing. But yeah, catch you guys in a second for you guys, and maybe 20 minutes for me. So it's about to be the first time we get the car on the lift, and we'll be able to actually see what's under this thing, because even just from the exhaust I know that there's going to be some fuckery, to say the least. So hopefully it's not too terrible. Yeah, then we also do have to get to getting these tires swapped out. If the car gets fixed today, this should fix the issue, or the main issue. But as long as this thing gets fixed today, then I should be able to grab the rear tires, throw those tires on the Forge Stars, and then have matching tires for the back, because having two unmatching tires is the craziest thing ever. But again, overpaid for the car, but a lot of people really like it, so eventually I'll just make it worthwhile somehow. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, and I don't even see the other oxygen sensor, so that's what I was thinking as well.
Only
one on each side. Yeah, it's supposed to be 4, so I did buy.
I know, there's 4. There's supposed to be 4. I know,
yeah, but so I did buy all.
Catalytic converter here, I think.
Yep.
And 2 sensors. You see? Come take a look. You see the connectors?
Yeah, the connector, because I shined my camera under there and I didn't see one. So this is the front suspension. I have a bunch of new arms, and they do alignments in here. What I'll most likely do is drop it off on a day and just have them do all of this stuff. Because, yeah, you guys know how I am. I do not like anything cheap or old. If this thing is going to be protecting my life, it has to be right. I do not want to risk it in a car like this. So, yeah, we'll get this thing sorted. And then this is the exhaust here. It goes down into a smaller diameter pipe. Not good. So the car will sound a lot better when I get to it, because you guys know how I am. I'm an exhaust sound whore, so I need my car to sound good as fuck. Like, so this is all gonna get changed out. We're gonna do something custom, dual X pipe, everything like that. You guys know, because I know dual X pipe is a touch of a restriction, but I don't care about that. This is not a drag car. It's for sound, so, you know, we just got to do everything right with some good quality, because we do not like bullshit work. Like, back in the day when we were in, like, high school, where I was, like, 15 and I had my Lexus, yeah, I was a little kid, but we're grown, we work, so we should take pride in the things we have. At least one would hope. Man. You know what's funny? I've been thinking of buying another Z, like, for a daily, because I'm gonna get to the point where I'm not gonna want a daily the E92 M3. I will for a long time, but like, sorry for the angle. I will for a long time until I get like an E38 and sort it out and whatnot, or another E53. But it's just, I kind of want this thing to remain a bit special when I drive it, so I don't always want to daily it. But I'm trying to think like, you know, something normal and calm that I don't have to wait 15 minutes before I drive off and whatnot. Even though the rod bearings and everything is done, I still treat the car the same, but in a, you know, something more calm, or even like an E36. And then I've also been thinking of just getting a truck, like a Silverado 1500, throwing a turbo on it or a supercharger. It'll make it easy, 500 with like $1,000 worth of mods. Like, yeah, just not to get like an eBay turbo kit on a Silverado 1500 single cab or a step side. And that'll be the daily 4L80, and it literally just a super simple build for like 6,000-7,000. You can have a 500 lowered like truck with a long bed, step cab, and everything like that. It just, yeah. And that's mainly what I'm leaning towards, because one, I miss having an LS car, and two, I do need a truck for when I like buy and sell wheels, or if I want to tow this thing and go to the track and do anything like that. I will need a truck or something with some towing capacity, so that's definitely something to think about, probably by winter. So yeah, the sensors are on, and you guys can see it right up there. Kinda. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so you can see the sensors are in. Then we're just gonna check for some leaks and stuff like that. Hopefully it's not leaking, and then if not, should be all set. So yeah, hopefully this fixes majority of the problem, because again, it didn't have two of the back sensors. The car was just guessing, so we should be good. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. Oh, got the. Yep. So yeah, there is a bit of a leak, and then on one of the sides there was like a part where they didn't like weld at all, so that makes sense as to why you can kind of hear the buffeting under the car at low RPM. Then once you pass that, it's like you can like it's just flowing past it. But yeah, gonna sort that out, and then we'll be all set until we have to do the intake plenum gasket at the top of the thing is most likely unseated itself, not like the thing where it goes to the ITBs, but inside of the top of the plenum there are little gaskets in the top. So yeah, and that's something I'll have John do. But also it looks like there's a, what is this right here? Something, I don't know that. But yeah, that's, it definitely did get hit here. I don't remember that. So somebody definitely did hit the car at one point in time. Okay, so yeah, it definitely drives way better now, like no hesitation, because of course it didn't have the back two sensors. Like, I don't know what type of bumble blood clot idiot that boy is, but some people, bro, them cheap, you fuck. Me don't know why somebody would have this type of car and do some type of blood clot under something funny. Me just can't understand it, man. Something bewildering, you fuck. But yeah, the car drives so smooth now. And yeah, so we're about to go grab rear tires, because that back one is exactly why the car is fucking, well, the back two, because they're two different sizes and tread is completely different and all that. So we're just gonna get those tires, throw them on, and then eventually just put the Forge Stars on. Granted, I should have just brought them with me and threw them on, but I just decided fuck it. Some Accelera. The sidewall is pretty narrow, but it's just temporary, $200. on and then get these things taken off. I just need them temporarily, and then I'll keep them as spares. So yeah, because of course I'm gonna get Michelin Sport Cup 2s for the back, and then Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's for the front, or Cup 2s for the front as well, but that's gonna be a lot of money, so I'll wait for now. So I found why the leak thing is. I'm trying to see if I could get the camera down there, but look, the thing for the intake is off, so I believe this will actually fix another one of the problems. Let's see if I can get it. But let me just put the camera away, because